Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to apply for overdraft on the Virgin Money app. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, of course, you want to go ahead and log in to the Virgin Money app using your credentials. And then you want to tap on your account and look for the Manage Overdraft or, Overdraft Services option. And Virgin Money will basically check your account activity and credit score to basically determine if you're actually eligible for an overdraft. And then what you want to do is you want to enter the amount you need. You want to be mindful of the maximum limit if you're eligible and what you're eligible for. And then you want to carefully go ahead and read the terms and conditions, including interest rates and fees. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to tap on agree to basically proceed. And then you want to submit your application, just confirm and submit your request, and you'll receive a notification or email once your overdraft is approved and added to your account. And that's it, guys. You will have successfully applied for an overdraft using the Virgin Money app. So I hope this guide was of value to you. And if it was, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.